How to connect your Wattpad account with your Twitter. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to connect your Twitter account with your Wattpad easy and fast. So first thing, go to Wattpad. Now this is the home page as you can see right here. Now all what you have to do is go to the top corner and click on your profile picture, and then go to the top corner again, click on this little icon. After you click on it, it will take you to this page. All what you have to do is go to the first option, click on account settings, and go down until you find the Twitter option right here down below. Click on it and you will be able to connect your Wattpad account with your Twitter easy and fast in less than 1 minute. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.